welcome to this channel. Welcome to yet another video. So in this video I just want to share this meal with you. So this is red rice swallow. It's made from red rice. I would try to show you the red rice grains. It's a very nutrient rich rice that is also very low in starch but high in folate, many minerals that you need, selenium, vitamin E, and a lot that women need, both pre-conception stage, when they have conceived, or when they have given birth and they are breastfeeding. And I'm pairing it with almost oil-free okra. As you can see, it contains just little oil in it. I think I use about 2 tablespoonfuls of palm oil, and I added little olive oil to it. The reason is that olive oil is great for the heart, and it's also good for general health, and of course promoting healthy hormones, right? And okra is a very great superfood. It's common and regular, but it's very important in your fertility diet because it helps control your blood sugar level, and so also supports your heart health. Now, when these things are in place, remember, when your heart health is in great position, your cholesterol level is also fine. That means that your liver is working greatly as well. These components are very important in your fertility diet. All we just see is a woman getting pregnant, but a whole lot goes on within your body system for that process to be complete. I mean the process of conception, preparing your body for a healthy conception. So so the meat I used is defatted goat meat. When I get my goat meat, I usually remove the fat, the visible ones, and when I boil it as well, I try to scoop out any excess fat on top. Remember that the fatty part of the meat contains more of what is called dioxin. That's where most part of the toxins that the animal could have gotten, that's where the residue stays. So you are encouraged to always eat lean meat, and by that we simply mean remove the fat as much as possible, right? And you can see lots of iru, as it's called in Yoruba language. That's locust bean, and it's a very rich superfood. It has lots of fatty acids in it, and it's great both for heart health, for maintaining your hormones. It's plant protein, so it's great for you. It's also very helpful in helping maintain your immune system so you don't have infections, right? Infection is one thing that makes women to have infertility issues such as tubal blockage or even miscarriage when they actually conceive. So protecting your body by eating healthy plant protein is one thing that you can be deliberate about, and just add all of them as you go on this fertility journey. Remember, this soup, there's nothing like the popular, let me use the common name, the Maggi seasoning. It's not there at all. The only thing we have here is crayfish, iru, ogiri, as it's called in Igbo language. I hope I can add it in the video, and that's about it. There I added dried prawns, and I actually had what is it called, oil bean, that is uba shreds, but I forgot that I had some in the freezer. I usually like to add it to my okra soup. However, the soup came out really tasty, and pairing it with this red rice swallow is the bomb. Like when you finish eating it, you don't feel like you've eaten swallow. You feel light and you can eat it even late at night. I'm not advising you to eat late, but sometimes when you can't help it and you really need food in your system, low carb swallows like this are your go-to. So keep eating healthy, keep believing, keep speaking right. Till I come your way again, take good care of you. Ciao.